Astronaut is a compound word derived from the two ancient Greek words, astro, meaning star, and naut, meaning sailor. So astronaut literally means star sailor. The flashes of colored light you see when you rub your eyes are called phosphons. At birth, a baby panda is smaller than a mouse. Iceland does not have a railway system. The largest known prime number has 17,425,170 digits. The new prime number is 2 multiplied by itself 57,885,161 times, minus 1. Forrest Fenn, an art dealer and author, hid a treasure chest in the Rocky Mountains worth over $1 million. It still has not been found. The lead singer of The Offspring started attending school to achieve a doctorate in molecular biology while still in the band. He graduated in May 2017.